This is a first.
I think I take a picture of this every time we come past it.
Gail doesn't know it, but Jill's about to give her a big surprise.
This is a first. The truck wouldn't go into neutral or whatever Mark has to do, so I am driving the bus. I mean, not the bus, holy cow, the truck. Hey, Gray! Hey, Shelby! You're on candid camera!
I got the big wash.
Nice! Let me get your breakfast. These are our friends going with us. I know.
Maybe you'll go into neutral if you drive it a little bit.
Maybe. Yeah.
He doesn't want to drive.
It's never not done it before. And it begins. Hello! Let me put these up before I lose them. Okay. Oh, there's Howie. Hey, Howie. Can you see him? Are you ready for it to go bye-bye? I hope you could hear all that. I am so sorry. I was gonna do the mic. Sorry. I was gonna do the mic and I don't have an excuse. I just didn't. So I'm gonna follow. If you didn't hear, I'm gonna follow Mark in the pickup because it wouldn't go into neutral. Boys will be boys. There goes the Fallahays. Beautiful rig. That is a Prevost and the conversion is Featherlight.
I'm here.
Okay, I am now behind Gray Fallahay.
You're the hay in a falla.
Well, you're right. Yeah, I'm a following the Fallahay.
So you're a falla hay.
I am.
Well, sorry you're having to do all the driving by yourself, but
That's okay. I mean, I'm glad we're still going. Now that things have settled down a little bit and we're on the road. Yes, I'm driving the pickup and Mark's driving the bus. He's up ahead of me, and then Gray and Jill are also up ahead of me. But anyway, yeah, the truck wouldn't go into neutral. So, whoa, sorry, it's wobbling. I'm trying to be safe. We're going to Pagosa Springs, Colorado. We're going to stop tonight in Amarillo, so that will be about a 6-hour drive from Arlington, Texas. Spend the night there at the Love's RV Hookup, right off of the interstate. Then chug on up the road to Pagosa Pines RV Park. The weather will be cooler. Thank goodness. The temperature in Texas, and I know across the U.S. it's been terrible as well, but I can speak to how it's been at our home base. It's been hot and humid all this week. It's in the hundreds, and it's just not pleasant. But in
Caution, US 81 road construction.
Well, there you go. What was I saying? Weather. Anyway, we're leaving. We're leaving. We're going to Colorado, where it's going to be a little cooler. Enjoy the trip, and we will talk at you later. Hey Siri. Call Mark Marlin.
Calling Mark Marlin mobile.
Are you? I'm fine, but I'm gonna pull over here in a little bit because I'm seeing a strap on the bikes. The bikes seem to be secure, but I'm gonna see what I'm looking at, and then I'll get back on the road.
Okay, there's a roadside park literally this very next exit.
Perfect. Okay.
Perfect, right? I mean, perfect. You only perfect.
Okay, I'm pulling off. Do you see me?
No, I don't see. I see you.
Okay.
Bye.
Let's see what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's a little loose. All right, let's tighten her up. Perfect. I will never forget this bridge. Right here, right in that right-hand lane, I was going to a bike event, and it was early in the morning before the sun came up. It's called the Hotter Than Hell. It's here in Wichita Falls. But anyway, I was up here. It was dark. Had the headlights on, ready for going to the event. And in that lane, there was a receiver hitch of 4 bicycles just right in the road. And I tell you what, that was terrible. It was an accident waiting to happen. I called 911 to report it. But evidently what happened was they put in their receiver hitch for their bicycle rack and didn't secure it. And they went up on that little hill, and I mean, it just came out. It just slid out and stopped right there in the middle of the road. So, lesson learned. And I will never forget that. That is definitely going to be an RV park. Well, I think it is. Looks like it. Right here in Wichita Falls, off of I-44 287 North. I think I take a picture of this every time we come past it. I absolutely love it. Hey guys, we made it to Pagosa Pines. So we're getting here, getting set up. Hang on just a second. Okay, I'll help you.
And Mark's about to use his long rod. This is what my long rod does. Gail doesn't know it, but Jill's about to give her a big surprise. And I think Jill and Gray are coming right now.
Hey, Gail. I brought you a surprise.
You did?
Yeah.
What's this for?
I made it. I made you a surprise. Okay, I didn't make the box. I didn't make the box.
Wait.
But I got you a surprise because you've been through so much and the whole cancer, which is dumb, so stupid. I made you something that's in here. And then you had to drive the truck because that was a surprise. It wouldn't hook up. So I made you a surprise.
Oh, I'm on Mark's camera.
And the biggest surprise of all is me.
It's me.
You made this?
For you.
Oh, Jill.
Now that was just kind of a display one because it's small.
Oh my God.
It has flowers in it like you love.
Oh my word. It is beautiful. And you quilted all of this.
Uh-huh.
That's a small bed.
It's a small.
Oh,
No, it's not forbidden. That was the leftover material, and I put it with flowers because I know you like
I
flowers.
love flowers, yes. At home base, I got flowers everywhere.
Right.
Put this over there. And then,
This is the bigger one, but it's still a lap quilt. So
Oh, lap quilt, not a bed
that
quilt.
means you can't share it with Mark. Just for your lap.
oh, Jill. Oh, in the back.
Now the big
Tell me about
the big flower is for cancer, obviously.
Yes.
It's because you survived breast cancer, so I made a flower out of it. And these are the people, for the people who helped you. And then your HHT, your blood.
I see a hummingbird.
I know you love hummingbirds. And I think there's one over there. And I just made flowers out of the colors that were in the front to show. But these are your boys.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm going to cry.
And you love hummingbirds.
Thank you.
I love you. Mwah. I love you. I'm so glad that the cancer thing's over.
Yeah, aren't we all?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Well, sitting out here in the evening with the fire going, having the quilt on my lap.
You can use the little one, Mark, for like your feet.
Gail, I've got one thing I want to say about this situation.
What?
Gray's over there holding my rod.
I think this is a very good way to end this episode with happiness, and yeah, we may have to somehow cut
I
that
think it
out.
ended anyway. It just went off.